I'm Lynn.
I'm Jessica, and we're from the Strathpine Library.
And welcome to this rhyme time session. We like to start off with we at the library like to acknowledge the Turrbal people, the traditional custodians, and thank them for sharing this land.
And we say, here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I.
Okay, we start off with the welcome song, so we like to do that with happy hands. So is everybody ready with happy hands? We go 1, 2, 3 and we sing, hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Welcome! We hope you really enjoyed this rhyme time session. We love doing them, don't we, Jess?
Oh, very much so.
Okay, we're going to start off with some tickling.
Oh, I like tickling.
Yeah, I think little people like tickling too.
Yes.
So we'll start off with some tickling on the toes, then the nose, then the tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high to start with. Okay, we'll go through nice and slow, and then you can join in with us. If you know the words, you can join in the first time. Are you ready? We'll go 1, 2, 3. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. Well done. Shall we do that one again?
I think so.
We'll go through a little bit
like
faster
tickles.
this time because you know the words now. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. That was good fun.
Good job.
Well done, everybody. You're better at this than we are.
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, we're going to do some bouncing now.
Oh, I like bouncing too.
So, bumps on knees,
Yes.
or just do some clapping. It's up to you.
Or the older ones, if there's any older siblings there, they can jump.
Jumping.
Yeah, jumping.
Ooh, okay. Are we ready for a bouncy mouse?
Yes.
So we're going to do boing, boing, squeak. And if you'd like to join in, if you know the words, that's great, but we will be doing it twice. Children learn best by repetition, so that's where we go.
I learn best by repetition.
Yes, me too. Okay, we're ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. A bouncy mouse was in the house. She's been here for a week. She bounces in the kitchen. She bounces in the den. She bounces in the living room. Woo! There she goes again. Oh, she's very bouncy.
Yes.
Shall we do that again?
I think so.
Should we speed that one up a little bit?
Or can we?
Just a little.
Just-
Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boing, boing, squeak. Boing, boing, squeak. A bouncy mouse is in the house. She's been there for a week. She bounces in the kitchen. She bounces in the den. She bounces in the living room. Woo! There she goes again. She's pretty fast.
I know, and they did so well keeping up.
They did very, very well. I didn't think I'd be able to keep up for a while there. Okay. What do you feel like doing now?
Oh, I reckon I could go for a nice leisurely row down the river.
A leisurely row. Or how about we do one where we get some exercise?
Oh, do we have to?
Oh, of course we have to. So we're going to row our boats gently down the stream. We'll go merrily. Life is but a dream. You want to join in with us? Because I'm sure you know this one.
Arms inside the boat.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Good screaming. Let's go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the river. If you see a polar bear, don't forget to shiver. Last one. Row, row, row your boat gently to the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Roar!
Oh, I think there's some ferocious lions out there.
You got to finish with a roar.
You do.
Okay, we'll do a little bit more exercise now.
Some body parts maybe.
Yeah, heads and shoulders, knees and toes.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
That's good. We're starting with the heads. I think that's a good plan. Start at the top. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Heads and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads and shoulders, knees and toes. We all clap hands together. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, mouth and nose, mouth and nose. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, we all clap hands together. Wow, that was pretty good.
It was.
I duffed that one.
That's all right, mistakes happen. They don't care.
If we do that again faster, maybe I'll remember it better.
Oh, we can try.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Heads and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, knees and toes. Heads and shoulders, knees and toes, we all clap hands together. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, mouth and nose, mouth and nose. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose, we all clap hands together. Yay!
Good work.
Okay. Now we're going out to the garden.
Oh, what are we going to see in the garden?
We might look for spiders.
Ooh,
But they're not scary, they're nice spiders. We've got Winsy Spider. And how does Winsy go?
Well, he can do traditional.
Yeah?
But maybe he likes to go up an arm or a leg.
Ooh, I don't know if I'd like that.
Or a back or a belly.
Ooh, whatever your little people like.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to start with 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Winsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Winsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Wow.
Determined spider.
Yeah, try again.
Yep.
So we'll repeat that one because everybody learns best that way, remember?
Yes.
Are we ready? We go.
Winsy Spider
climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Winsy Spider climbed up the spout again. Wow. That's one determined spider.
I think I have determined spiders in my attitude.
Okay, we're going to slow it down a little bit now. We're just going to have a tea break.
Yeah, well, I'm short. I'm kind of stout.
I get a bit steamed up. So let's be little teapots. Are we
Sounds
ready?
good.
1, 2, 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout, tip me over and pour me out. Wow, lucky we were in the same direction.
I know.
We could have bonked heads. That wouldn't have been fun.
Timed it well.
Shall we do the other side as well?
Yes.
Let's go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, then I shout, tip me over and pour me out. Well done. Where are we going now?
Oh, why don't we take a ride on the train?
Right on the train.
Ride on the train, just like the one we have here at Strathpine.
Oh, anybody who's been to Strathpine Library would love the train. Let's go. We're going the wheels on the train.
Oh, and what does our train do?
Oh, the wheels go round and round. The wipers go swish, swish, swish. The horn goes toot, toot, toot. The doors go open and shut. And our babies don't go wah, wah, wah. They're happy babies. They go ha, ha, ha. And the driver on the train says, move on back. So are you ready to go on the train?
We are.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The wheels on the train go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round, all the way to town. The wipers on the train go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the train go swish, 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 all the way to town. The horn on the train goes toot, 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 toot. The horn on the train goes toot, 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 all the way to town. The doors on the train go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the train go open and shut, all the way to town. The babies on the train go ha ha ha, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. The babies on the train go ha ha ha, all the way to town. The driver on the train says move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the train says move on back, all the way to town. Yay, we've made it to town. We did.
That was a long trip, wasn't it?
It was.
But I think it's time for dancing.
Yes.
This is Jess's favourite song.
It is my favourite
Yes.
song.
This is Mama's little baby loves dancing.
Yeah.
We all love dancing. And we can dance sitting down.
Yes. But,
But
feel
you-
free to stretch your legs at home if you
Yes.
want.
Have some fun with this. That's what it's all about. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Lean to the left, lean to the right. Hug that baby nice and tight. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves turning round. Mama's little baby loves dancing, dancing. Mama's little baby loves to boogie down.
Yay!
Good job.
Oh, I'm all tucked out.
Oh, I think it's time for some jazz hands.
Jazz hands. Like that.
Yes.
Some twinkling jazz hands.
Yes, some twinkling jazz hands.
We're going to do my favourite song now.
Your favourite song?
Twinkle, twinkle,
Yeah.
little star. What a lovely way to finish.
Yes.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, well done,
Oh,
Jess.
so pretty.
Yes, that's a lovely song, isn't it?
It is.
Well, I tell you what, we're pretty close to being finished for today.
Already?
I know, time goes so fast when you're having
I
fun.
reckon.
So we might finish off with a tickle.
Oh, yes.
Okay, we'll do the toes, the nose, the tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low to start with this time. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
A tickle for your toes,
a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye. Oh, I'm sad to leave.
We do.
Oh, well, you'll have to come back and see us again because we love doing this.
Yes.
We're going to sing our goodbye song?
We are, and we'll use our happy hands.
Happy hands
well,
again.
sad hands. To say
Always
goodbye.
happy hands. Are you ready? Let's go. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Bye bye, everybody.
Thank you for joining us.
Yay.